8 hard truths about money that no one is talking about. Money is one of the most misunderstood and misused tools in our lives. Today we're diving into 8 hard truths about money that most people avoid discussing. These truths might be uncomfortable, but they're crucial to understand if you want to master your finances and achieve true financial freedom. Let's start unraveling the realities that could change how you see and use money forever. 1. Money doesn't solve all your problems. The first hard truth is that money, while important, doesn't solve every problem. Many believe that if they just had more money, all their challenges would disappear. While money can alleviate financial stress, it doesn't fix poor habits, toxic relationships, or lack of purpose. Consider someone who wins the lottery, but ends up bankrupt within a few years. Without the discipline to manage money, even vast wealth can vanish. True financial success comes from building the skills and mindset to handle money wisely, not just acquiring more of it. Instead of chasing money, focus on what it enables: security, opportunity, and growth. Align your financial goals with your life purpose, and you'll find that money becomes a tool for fulfillment rather than a source of stress. 2. Time is more valuable than money. Time is a resource you can never earn back, making it more valuable than money. Many people trade too much of their time for money, often in jobs they dislike or businesses that demand all their energy. Think about it: every hour spent earning money is an hour you can't spend with family, pursuing passions, or improving your well-being. The key is learning how to use money to buy back your time. Investments, passive income, and smart financial planning can create opportunities to live life on your terms. For example, investing in skills that allow remote work or freelancing can free up hours for what matters most. Always ask yourself, is this financial choice helping me reclaim my time or taking more of it away? 3. Money is a tool, not a goal. One of the most persistent myths is that money is the end goal. We often focus so much on making money that we forget money is just a tool to achieve what we truly want. Think about it. How many people strive for wealth only to realize they aren't truly happy once they have it? The truth is, without a clear purpose, money loses its meaning. We've all seen the stories of wealthy individuals who still struggle with happiness, fulfillment, or purpose. Money can give you the freedom to pursue passions and make a difference, but it isn't the answer to everything. In fact, the pursuit of money for the sake of money can lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. It's important to redefine what success looks like for you beyond the dollar signs. 4. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Another hard truth is that saving money isn't enough to build wealth. While saving is critical, it's only part of the equation. Inflation erodes the value of stagnant money, meaning your savings lose purchasing power over time. To grow wealth, you need to invest. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or businesses, investing allows your money to work for you. Start small if you must, but start now. For instance, a modest investment in an index fund today can yield substantial returns in the future. Without investments, you risk falling behind financially, even if you are diligent about saving. Let your money multiply rather than sit idle in a low-interest savings account. If you find this video so far, take the next step. Watch our video, the tool called Money Explained, Mastering Money for Financial Freedom, to learn how to maximize money's potential in your life. Find the link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that empower you. 5. Debt is not always the enemy. Debt has a bad reputation, but not all debt is harmful. The truth is that debt can be a powerful tool if used wisely. There's a big difference between high-interest consumer debt and low-interest debt used for investments like education, property, or starting a business. Take, for example, leveraging a mortgage to purchase rental properties. While the debt may seem large, the income from tenants can cover the payments and build equity over time. This is productive debt, unlike credit card debt that accumulates interest without providing returns. Understand the distinction between good debt and bad debt. Used responsibly, debt can accelerate your financial goals instead of hindering them. 6. Financial literacy is a necessity, not an option. One of the harshest truths is that financial literacy is essential in today's world. Without it, you're at the mercy of the financial system, lenders, and even employers. Schools rarely teach personal finance, leaving many to learn through trial and error. Imagine someone who doesn't understand compound interest signing up for a high-interest loan. They may unknowingly commit to years of financial hardship. Contrast that with someone who understands how to negotiate rates or invest wisely. They build wealth instead of losing it. Prioritize learning about budgeting, investing, and financial planning. The more you know, the less likely you'll fall victim to costly mistakes. 7. Money won't buy happiness, but it can buy freedom. Money might not buy happiness, but it can certainly buy freedom. What do I mean by that? Think of all the ways money can give you the freedom to choose how you spend your time, where you live, and who you spend it with. For example, having financial freedom means you can take time off work to spend with your loved ones without worrying about losing your job. It means you can pursue hobbies or travel without the stress of finances holding you back. While money may not guarantee happiness, it can remove many of the barriers that prevent you from living a fulfilling life. This is why financial independence is so important. The more freedom you have, the less stress you'll experience, which opens the door to greater happiness and peace of mind. 8. The economy is out of your control. Another hard truth: the economy is beyond your control. You might work hard, save diligently, and even invest wisely, but factors like inflation, market crashes, and economic downturns can drastically impact your financial situation. This is why diversification and having multiple income streams are essential. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, millions of people lost their jobs, homes, and retirement savings because they were too dependent on a single income source or asset class. While you can't control the economy, you can prepare for it by making your finances more resilient. Having a solid emergency fund, investing in diverse asset classes, and generating multiple streams of income can protect you from economic shocks. It's easy to feel powerless in the face of these larger forces, but taking proactive steps can help cushion the blow when things go wrong. Teaser 8. Hard truths about money might be tough to hear, but they're crucial for building a solid financial foundation. Embracing these realities can help you make smarter decisions and move closer to financial freedom. But this is just the beginning. In our next video, the tool called Money Explained, Mastering Money for Financial Freedom, we'll go deeper into how to use money as a tool to unlock the life you want. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Your transformation starts here. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a financial professional for personalized recommendations.